Well, today is Wednesday, July 17th. I am Buck, and this is Shop Talk, and welcome to my shop. Yesterday, I was able to spend some time down here. My granddaughter actually was up with my wife, and what I did, I got part of the hand tool woodworking bench glued up. This is half of it. I didn't film this, but the thing about it is, there's the other half right there. The thing about it is, in everything you do, there is something you don't like. The thing about it is, the finish, putting finish on it is okay, but glue up. I hate gluing up. If it's a big shop with just people everywhere, I'd be in the department where you're cutting and fitting and that kind of thing, and then glue up would be a different department. Like with finish, it'd be a department. But it's just me. So therefore, I went ahead and glued this up. I go through a practice and everything, because you've only got so much time, and on these big projects you got to go. And there is something that and it actually helped. Usually these smaller projects and all, I use my finger. That is the best glue applicator that it's right here, But on this big scale, the thing about it is, you only have so much time. So I got me a plastic putty knife, maybe you call it. I got me a triangle file. I don't know if you can see that or not. And I cut me some grooves in that, ridges, grooves. And when you push it around, it leaves so much there and much faster. So I did, and I got me a glue spreading applicator device, I guess, But anyway, I did, there's some of the running out of places to put it. I like leaving my vehicle inside. This time of year, these storms come up and whatnot, and before you know it, you got a hail damage, and I got one spot. We got a family member. He's priced it. It's the only bad space. We got a couple of dents where the trailer got, but that's not no big deal whatsoever. But that right there, where we'll get that fixed, and that's a pretty good little old truck. 80-something thousand miles. It might be 90 by now, but it's right at 90,000. Not bad little truck. We got it from my neighbor. So, the thing about it is, this place, I tell you, I like keeping the place cleaned up, if you know what I mean. So I have been working hard. So when you got a few minutes here and a few minutes there, 30 minutes here, or that kind of thing, you want to be in the project, so to speak. You know what I mean. So I come down here sometimes where I got a few minutes, I'll clean up. But I'm moving forward when I can on my hand tool woodworking bench. But I do want to ask y'all something. When you see this right here, y'all, I hope y'all realize this is a second channel with Shop Talk. A lot of people don't like this part of it. They want to see projects. They want to see me make a jig. They want to see me, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. So my main channel, I set aside for my the actual projects. But this channel, there was a few people that kind of wanted to this part of it. But so I would like to have some ideas. If y'all don't mind giving me a comment, I would like to have some ideas. Do you want to see more woodworking here? Is it about right? But I do have Sawdust Solutions with Buck is my main channel. That's where I got my projects. But I come down here and talk and a little bit every day, most days. Every now and then I miss one for one reason or another. But that's what I've got going on. I'll probably come down here after a while. The therapy is coming in for my wife. You know, she broke her leg. I may put, I got a picture of the x-ray. Y'all might find that interesting. I will put that, I will stick that up here somewhere and let y'all see what we're dealing with. And it's coming along nicely. It just takes a lot of time. The surgeon is expecting a full recovery, but it's just going to take a while because she couldn't put any weight on it. And when you see the x-rays, I'm going to pop up here on the screen at some point. Surely I can pop it up on the screen somewhere. Pretty good gap, and they didn't want any weight on it until it kind of growed back and filled that gap. So that's what we've been dealing with. And you think she's 65 years old, and she's having a problem with her knees anyway. So it's making it tough. So someone's got to be there with her. She's getting now where she can put a little weight on it and all, but so I'll have to get back up there. Hopefully I can come back down here and glue up the other half, but it's not half. I got it glued up in a little less than 6-inch sections. So there's actually two sections right there. And what I'll do, I'll run through the planers, and then the next glue up will be half. I'm just going to do half at a time, or a section at a time. Then after my planer will take 12 inches. So the next glue up, when you go through, there'll be a full capacity of my thickness planer. However, that last one, I'll have to get it just as close as I possibly can, but I'll have to take a hand plane and finish it off, which it's just a thing. There's no big deal there. But I'm trying to calculate where I can get as quickly as I can, because this will wind up going to the main channel when I get it finished. But like I say, I need to get back up here with her. And hope y'all enjoy this. I enjoy making them. I enjoy talking about it. It gets me comfort from the camera, and actually talking it out like this, I actually come up with some ideas along the way where I can shift, and I don't know, it just helps me out. And I hope y'all enjoy it. So, until in the morning, I plan on doing it every morning. Some mornings I can't, but it is what it is. So, y'all hang in there, and let me know what you're thinking, if you like this kind of stuff or what have you. And I will see you guys tomorrow, and gals. I hope we have some gals work. There's a lot of women in woodworking that's really doing a good job. So y'all hang in there, and we will see you tomorrow.